No. Naish.
Leave it. Naish. Come here. No. There's a water python. Stay. Naish. She doesn't like him. Naish has just found it out here with a few little baby birds, little plovers here. I think this one's looking for a feed or moving from one place to the other. Beautiful animals. Downfall is this time of the year, a lot of these snakes seem to get hit on the roads. At night time, they are nocturnal, and when they're crossing the roads, a lot of traffic seem to hit these big old snakes. It's pretty sad to see. Come here. Come on, quick. Come here. Come on, here. Naish, listen. Listen here. Come here. Come here. Here. Drop. Drop. Stay. She's like a disobedient child. Stay. It's a snake. Leave him. He's all right. Just have a look. You're okay. He won't hurt you. He's all right. I don't need Naish chasing the local wildlife. I've got to get her to respect it just as much as me. I need her to work out not to harm these snakes and just to ignore them. She's not interested in the snake. She wants to stay away, which is a good thing. We're just going to take him away from that road and let him go in the grass. Perfect little spot here. We'll get in amongst it grass, get underneath that, and he'll be able to maybe go chase those little chicks up later. Naish, leave the snake.